Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today let me show you how to create or set up WordPress in your local developing environment. That means in your desktop or laptop using LocalWP software. And this is a free software, premium, and they also provided free premium service, that is you can present your local website to your uh, client so that they can check it out, the website that you are developing. Okay, like any other staging websites, staging platforms. So quite convenient. Okay, I have already downloaded and installed it. If you have not it, go to click on download, choose platform, Windows. For me, it is Windows, and enter your email and click get it now, and you will be able to download it and install it directly. Okay, I have already installed and open it. Okay, now let's create a new website. Enter your website name, for example, WordPress tutorials. Okay, this is WordPress tutorials, and here in the advanced options, don't forget to go to the advanced options. Here by default, the domain name for your local website will be WordPress tutorials.local. This is their default extension. But since you are developing this WordPress website, that means you are planning to buy a new domain, a specific domain, or you have already bought it. That means you have to enter the name of the domain that you are planning to buy or you have bought it here. For example, WordPress tutorials.com. Suppose, let's assume that this is the domain that I have already bought or supposed to buy. That's it. This is not a real my domain, so so yeah, okay. And this is where my local WordPress installation is stored, the data. But sorry, the data, and you can sense this storage folder, or just leave it to the default. I will leave it to the default. Continue. And here for the choosing environment for the server, I recommend you to use this prefer option. In my previous setting, in the setting, I recommend you to go to the custom options, but in this, I recommend you to choose prefer. In the custom option, you can choose the PHP version, server type, engines, or Apache, or database um, versions. But in the I recommend you prefer version because their preferred choice is already set for the best matching versions for your the latest version of WordPress. So I recommend this one, this choice of setting. Then here, set up the username and password. When you set this local username password, you set it according to your desired username password for the live website, so that you do not have to change it afterwards and all. For me, I will just enter a dummy username and password. And here advanced option is nothing but choosing is it um, multi-site, subdirectory, subdomain, the but my website is single standalone website, not multi-site, so choose no, it's site. And yeah, it is creating website. This is very convenient software. I do not have to go to wordpress.org and install the WordPress core from the repository. They have done it for me. Yeah, it's perfect, but you need only a internet connection, data connection. That's it. It may take a while. They are setting up the virtual developing environment in your desktop or laptop, and they're also downloading the WordPress core from the WordPress repository and installing it, setting up. So it may take a while. Yeah, they're done. This is the domain name that you have set in the past setting, and this is a dummy SSL certificate. You can you make trust it. Click yes. Okay, and yeah, here is the web server. You can change it to Apache if you like. If you do not have special desire for Apache, then leave it to here. And PHP version, leave it for now, and everything. Yeah, here this is the database name, database root, password, and all everything. Yeah, that's it. Okay, then let's go to open website. Okay, this is the latest version of WordPress, the demo page, sample page here, and it is saying not secure even though we have here this dummy SSL certificate on our this virtual environment. Uh, it is saying not secure on our browser. So to activate the SSL certificate, go to WP or you can click directly from here WPMN, and yeah, you'll be able to log in with the username and password and enter it. Plugins and new SSL, and install this really simple SSL. This is one of the best free SSL certificates, SSL plugin for WordPress. As you can see here, 500 sorry 5 plus million plus installations activated. Okay, activate SSL. Now it is already secure. Here, go to the website again. Here it is saying secure. Yeah, certificate. Okay, why you are using this dummy SSL certificate, even though you are knowing that this is not real SSL certificate, you're using it because when you make this WordPress website live to the live web hosting account or server, you are going to use as a SSL certificate. And at that time, when you activate that real SSL certificate, if you are moving from a HTTP protocol or yeah without the encryption, this is HTTPS. If you are developing in HTTP protocol in the local server, when you activate it, there may be SSL error because of the some images, especially the images or uh, other assets like CSS or JavaScript folders. Those files are loading in the HTTP protocol instead of HTTPS. In that scenario, there will be mixed content SSL error. So that's a headache. That's troublesome. So to avoid that, trust their dummy SSL certificate and install activate this SSL certificate when you are developing in your local server. So yeah, it is to avoid your troubles and to stop wasting times in fixing the errors. Okay, that's it. That's how we set up or install WordPress in the local developing environment using this local WP software. And this is quite easy. You can also enable live link, enable it. By enabling this live link feature, you can present this WordPress website to your client so that they can prove it. You can see the website that you are developing so that they can confirm it. Yeah, this is just like the staging service provided by other staging WordPress staging service providers like Flywheel and all. The same. You can also connect directly this website to like staging platforms, web hosting platforms like WP Flywheel, WP Engine, etc. So yeah, this is very convenient. Even though you do not have their staging platforms on their servers, you can enable live link here. You can go to this live link. If you give this live link to your client, you can use this username and password here and see the WordPress website that you are developing. This one. This is a randomly generated uh, uh, URL for your local WordPress. Yeah, that's it. This is very convenient, and I really like this local WP. I am not affiliated to this service or the company behind this software. I just like it as a end user itself. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it. I hope you find it helpful. Okay, and more and yeah, according after seeing the comments in my YouTube channel, I have realized that most of my old videos are outdated, not suitable for the latest version of WordPress, especially with the coming of the WordPress full site editing, FSE, Gutenberg and all. So I will be updating those old videos to make it suitable for the latest version of WordPress or other latest versions of softwares like Elementor and all. So, and stay tuned. I hope you like my videos. Please like, subscribe. Once again, thank you. See you in the next video.